Wondering how to deliver flawless live streams without sacrificing reliability or speed? Cisco IP Fabric for Media is here to address this question. Hi, my name is Veselin Ilic. I am a Cisco certified instructor with 18 years of experience in Cisco technologies. In this course, you'll build a solid foundation in IP Fabric for Media. You'll configure multicast, explore real-time media transport, and see how Cisco IP Fabric delivers scalability and low latency. This is your first step in moving confidently from SDI to IP. The broadcast industry is evolving rapidly, so understanding IP-based workflows is no longer optional. It is essential for staying relevant. Ready to take the first step into IP-based broadcasting? Join me and learn how to build the foundation for your future in media networking.